Dear students, in this video we will discuss the general Lagrange interpolation formula. So suppose we have n plus 1 data points. So we can fit a polynomial of degree n and denote it by Pnx. So this is the polynomial of degree n which satisfies the interpolating conditions. So these are the interpolating conditions. Fine. So now when you substitute the values x is equal to x naught, x1, x2, xn in this equation, so we get this set of equations. So this is the general equation number 1, and then this is the equation when you are substituting x equal to x naught. So we get Pn x naught, which is equals to f of x naught, but f of x naught is equal to Pn x naught, which is equals to, according to this, is a naught a1x plus this. I think you understand. Now we are eliminating a naught a1 an from this system of equations. So we get this determinant, and now expand this determinant along first column. So along first column when we expand, so we get this type of equation. Here this determinant is denoted by this, is divided by this, and finally what we get, we are getting this type of equation: L naught x plus f of x naught plus L1x f1 x1 plus ln x f of x, where these are the fundamental polynomials, and we know that their behavior is like a Kronecker delta function. Here Lixj is delta ij, and generally what is Lix? If you see the previous two here, when you are finding L naught x, then in the numerator part there is no term of x naught. We have only a factor x minus x1 divided by x naught minus x1. Here x is replaced by x naught, and this is the division term. Similarly here we have L1x, so here is no term of x1, so only term is x minus x naught divided by, just replace the term here x by x1, so what you will get, x1 minus x naught, so just divide this by this term. So this is similarly in the quadratic. Here we are having L naught x, so you can see in the numerator part there is no factor of the type x minus x naught. We have x minus x1, x minus x2, and then divide the term which you get by just replacing x by x naught here and divide it. Similarly here there is no term of x minus x1, we have only terms x minus x naught, x minus x2, and replace x by x1 here. So this is very easy to understand. So similarly in the n degree polynomial we are having L naught x f of x naught, L1x f of x1, ln x f of xn. This can be written in terms of summation form, Lix fix, where I varies from 0 to n, where Lix is nothing but, here in this factor we will not have a factor of the type x minus xi. So x minus x naught, x minus x1 up to x minus xi minus 1, and just remove the factor x minus xi. So next factor will be x minus xi plus 1, x minus xn, divided by, just replace x by xi here. So we are having xi minus x naught, replace x by xi here, xi minus x1, replace x by xi here, xi minus 1, and so on. And Lixj is nothing but the Kronecker delta function, which is 1 when I is equal to j and 0 when I is not equals to j. And then we are having, when after calculating all these fundamental polynomials, substitute it here, so we get Pnx. So what is the error function? Error function is the nothing but the absolute value of fn minus Pnx. This will be that. So this is the Lagrange interpolation formula. This is the Lagrange's formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula. Fine. So remember this formula. So now application. Here first example. Here we have 3 data points. F naught is 1, f1 is 3, f3 is 55. So find the unique polynomial of degree 2 or less which fits the given data. So this is the data point. For 0 we have 1, for 1 we have 3, for 3 we have 55. This is suppose x naught, this is x1, this is x2. Fine. So first we will find out the fundamental polynomials. L0x, L1x, L2x. Because here, if you then this is our fundament. This is our polynomial. P2x is L0x, f of x0, L1x, f of x1, L2x, f of x2. So first we have to find out L0x, L1x, L2x. So here is L0x. L0x, obviously this polynomial can be written in terms of factors, and here there will be no term of the type x minus x0. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 divided by this term. So just replace x by x0 here, so we get this factor. Put x equal to x0 here, so we get this term. Simplify, substitute the values. X1 is 1, x2 is 3. Fine, and x0 is 0. So x minus 1, x minus 3 divided by 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3. Simplify, so we get this. Similarly, L1x. So this will not contain the factor x minus x1. So we have this. Simplify, so we get this polynomial. Similarly, L2x will not contain the term x minus x2. So this is the polynomial. Simplify, 1 by 6 x square minus x. Substitute all these values here, where f of x0 is 1, f of x1 is 3, f of x2 is 55. Put these values, simplify, so we get the polynomial P2x as 8x square minus 6x plus 1. So this is the required polynomial. Fine. Now here, if suppose we will show the drawback of Lagrange's interpolation formula through this example. Here we are taking the same data points. Here we have just replaced x1 is equals to 1. We are replacing this quantity 1 by 2. So what will be the new data points? Here 0 1 0 1. Here 1 is replaced by 2. So 2 3 2 3 and 355. So everything is same except this data point. Here 2, here is 1. Only this is the only difference. Fine. So now you have to recompute all these fundamental polynomials again. This is the drawback of this formula. If you slightly change our data, then immediately you have to recompute all these calculations. Again, this is the drawback of this. So here, again you have to recompute the fundamental polynomial L0x. After substituting the values, we are getting this polynomial. L1x will be this polynomial and L2x will be this polynomial. Substitute the values. Finally, after simplification, we get this. So through this example, you can see that you have slightly changed only one data and you have to recompute all these things. This is the drawback of this method, and this drawback is written. The Lagrange's formula has the drawback that if we slightly change an interpolating value, then Lagrange's fundamental polynomials are required to be recalculated. Effort in previous attempt is useless. This is the drawback of this method. So to overcome this drawback, we are having Newton's divided difference, and we will discuss this in the next video. Thank you.